Welcome back, Pacifica Tiny Home family. We are here back with another video. This time we will demonstrate on identifying shiplap defection. The first steps is to carefully examine your shiplap walls to identify any cracks or areas where the shiplap has lifted. You're going to mark these areas with a pencil or tape so you can easily locate them during the repair process. Moving on to step 2, before you begin the repair, you must have the right tools to ensure you do the job right. You'll need ready patch compound, putty knife, 150 grit sandpaper, and an electric sander. Step 3, you're going to sand down the marked shiplap. Using your 150 grit sandpaper or an electric sander, carefully sand down the marked shiplap areas until they feel smooth and even. When you're sanding the area, it will expose a bit of wood beneath the paint. This will ensure a strong bond for the patch compound once applied. Once you're done sanding down the marked shiplap, you'll move to step 3, and this will be to apply patch compound. With your putty knife, apply a layer of the ready patch compound to fill in the sanded down areas. Make sure the compound is evenly spread, leaving it nice and flush with the rest of the wall. Once that's completed, you're going to let the compound dry. Allow the patch compound to dry for approximately around 2 to 3 hours. This will ensure it's fully set and ready for the next step. After the compound has dried, you'll slightly hand sand the patched areas with a 150 grit sandpaper. Ensure the surface is perfectly smooth and flush with no bumps. This is very crucial for a flawless paint finish. So before you start painting, you want to make sure you clean the repaired area with a damp towel to remove any dust or debris for the patched compound. This is to ensure the surface for a better paint finish. After we're done cleaning the area, we'll be using the paint matching the color of your shiplap. Apply a coat evenly over the repaired areas. Blend the paint seamlessly with the surrounding shiplap to create a uniform look. And those are all the steps for a DIY shiplap repair in your tiny house. So if you ever encounter these scenarios or anything that happens in your shiplap walls, this video will help you out step by step for a good process look. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.